Be sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button and ring the bell so that you can be informed of future videos.
How to build a website using WordPress. Building a website using WordPress is a relatively straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Step 1. Choose a domain and hosting provider. First, you'll need to choose a domain name such as www.yourwebsite.com and a hosting provider that will store your website's files and make it accessible online. There are various hosting providers available such as Bluehost, SiteGround, and WP Engine that offer WordPress-specific hosting plans. Step 2. Install WordPress. Once you have your domain and hosting, you'll need to install WordPress. Many hosting providers offer one-click WordPress installations, making the process quick and easy. Alternatively, you can manually install WordPress by downloading the software from the official WordPress website at wordpress.org and following the provided instructions. Step 3. Choose a theme. WordPress offers a wide range of themes that determine your website's appearance and layout. You can access free themes directly from your WordPress dashboard by navigating to Appearance and then Themes. You can preview and install the theme of your choice, or you can purchase premium themes from third-party providers. Step 4. Customize your website. Once you have installed a theme, you can start customizing your website to fit your needs. WordPress provides a user-friendly interface that allows you to modify various aspects of your site, such as the logo, colors, fonts, and widgets. You can access these customization options by navigating to Appearance and then Customize in your WordPress dashboard. Step 5. Add content. With the basic design in place, it's time to add content to your website. WordPress uses a content management system or CMS that allows you to create and organize your content easily. You can create pages such as Home, About or Contact and posts such as blog articles using the Pages and Posts sections in your WordPress dashboard. Step 6. Install plugins. WordPress plugins are add-ons that enhance your website's functionality. There are thousands of plugins available for various purposes, such as contact forms, search engine optimization or SEO, security, and social media integration. To install plugins, navigate to Plugins in your WordPress dashboard and click on Add New. You can search for specific plugins and install them directly from the dashboard. Step 7. Optimize your website. To improve your website's performance and visibility, you should consider optimizing it for search engines. WordPress offers several SEO plugins such as Yoast SEO and All-in-One SEO Pack, which can help you optimize your content, meta tags, and XML sitemaps, among other things. Additionally, you can optimize your website's speed by using caching plugins, compressing images, and utilizing Content Delivery Networks or CDN. Step 8. Test and launch. Before officially launching your website, it's essential to thoroughly test it across different devices and browsers to ensure everything works correctly. Check the responsiveness, navigation, and functionality of your site. Additionally, proofread your content to ensure it's error-free. Once you're satisfied with the results, you can officially launch your website by promoting it and making it accessible to the public. Remember, this is a general overview of the website creation process using WordPress. The specific steps may vary depending on your hosting provider, theme, and plugins you choose. However, WordPress is known for its user-friendly interface, extensive documentation, and large community which can help. You can also edit your site in WordPress from your smartphone by downloading the WordPress app. Now go and have fun creating your website with WordPress. Thank you.